welcome back and I hope you guys are doing very well. I'm in the state of Chiapas and I have come to this small town called Palenque, which is famously known for waterfalls, mountains, jungles and definitely archaeological sites. So I'm here to explore this Mayan ruins, which is most studied and documented in the history of Mayan ruins. So come, let's explore this together. Guys, I'm here at the ticket counter and I've purchased the tickets. There are two different types of ticket. One is to the archaeological site and the other one to the national park. So I paid 85 for the archaeological site and 97 for the national park. Guys, again the tickets were checked here and now I'm entering into the archaeological zone. And if you look at this place, it's beautiful. So this is 1 kilometer walk to get into that zone, but the walk looks like we are walking in the jungle. Look at this trail. Yeah, so it is another 1 kilometer. I should be at the entrance of the archaeological site. Look at this hanging bridge here, and here the waterfall, blue water, and the other side as well. Wow, look at this, guys. Distinct tree here, two different trees, but look at them. They're completely intertwined, and that looks like it is one single tree. Quite fascinating. So guys, look at these trees which are grown over these structures or on the rocks, and they're huge trees. Look at them. I had seen something similar in Cambodia while I was visiting the Angkor Wats. It was similar to this. The trees were on the rocks. And this is a structure, the ruin, one of the ruins. There are 3 trees which are growing on it. So Palenque is one of the most mysterious archaeological sites in Mexico, and this World Heritage Site is thought to date back at least 200 BC. This important city was so famous among the other cities because of their impressive palace and the temples, as these were built at the Mayan power heights. However, the Palenque is thought to have suddenly fallen and abandoned in 799 AD. The most powerful city was slowly absorbed by the jungle and completely disappeared. But in 1830, the Spanish rediscovered it and then started the excavation work. So today what you see here, the excavations, these all started in the last few decades. So it is estimated that less than 10% of the total area of the city is discovered, which means there are thousands and thousands of structures still covered by these jungles. So this area is surrounded by this thick jungle as you see it. Oh, so there are many structures still yet to be discovered. After spending 2 hours at the Palenque ruins, I've come here to the waterfall. It's called as Roberto Barrios, one of the most amazing waterfalls. There are many of them here in Palenque, but I've come here to check out. So I've traveled 1 hour from the central, and the entry fees to this waterfall is 30 pesos. So let's go and check it out. And meanwhile, the weather is very hot. It's very humid out here. So it's the right time to get into the water. So let me show you this place around. at that dog, guys. Okay, he is also swimming or following the master. Look at the dog. Quite amazing to see this. I think no. Look at that. Six water spots here. So I think this is the main one. Look at this. It's quite huge. Wow. I think I should be going there. And we have something on this side. So let me show you. Yeah, you can swim here. And wow. This is amazing. Look at this. Yeah. So, and then there are rocks there where you can sit and relax. So I think I should be going there now. So I'm going down there to swim and enjoy this amazing waterfall, guys. So this is the third spot that I've come to. Now another 3.